Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel. Hey, I'm beyond excited to share this special journey with you. Recently, I had the incredible opportunity to be invited by an incredible entrepreneur who is Fabien Pinckaers, the founder of the Odoo, a one life-changing trip to Dubai and India. Fabien, thank you so much for this amazing experience. It's one I will never forget. For those of you who might not know, Odoo is a Belgian unicorn valued at $5 billion. An incredible success story that's changing the way businesses operate worldwide with its unique ERP system. Regarding the trip, we spent 5 days in Dubai, diving into Odoo's culture and meeting entrepreneurs who are building innovative businesses. After that, we traveled to India for another 5 days, where we visited Odoo's operation and met with local entrepreneurs. Basically, what made this trip even more special was the chance to sit down with these entrepreneurs and talk business in depth. We explored their business models, learned about their challenges, and discovered the numbers behind their success. These were powerful, candid conversations that you would not want to miss. This video is just the beginning. Over the next few weeks, I will be releasing a full series where you will get an even deeper look into these amazing entrepreneurs and the lessons they had to offer. If you're ready to join me on this exciting journey and learn from the best, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's dive into the after movie we prepared just for you, and I hope you will feel the same emotions I did during this unforgettable experience. Go! Just arrived to Dubai, very excited to be here because of all the atmosphere, that feeling about the skyscraper, the lights, the traffic, the people. Everybody's busy, everybody's working about doing something. The program for the stay in Dubai is to visit the offices for Odoo Dubai.
So do you see financial impact on your investment?
We'll still have something like 10 million of euro of extra cash flow.
So you grew the team of marketing from 1 person to 15.
Yes, we are at a rhythm 170 new clients per month.
Isn't it enough, 60 million for Odoo?
For me, it's super comfortable.
To take interviews of the employees and of the managing director, and then to interview some partners and interview some clients and have fun. So please subscribe, share, comment, and like, and like.
Welcome to Odoo India, the incredible India.
So we have just arrived to India and we are going to spend the following 5 days in order to see how Odoo is operating here in India. We are going to interview employees of Odoo to understand the difference in culture between the employees of Odoo in Dubai and India and other offices as well. But more than that, we are also going to interview some clients, some partners and some cultural staff.
Never create a company unless you have a client. First come the clients and then comes the legal entity. True?
Last year we had closed with 45 CR.
Okay, good. How much is it?
40 million volunteers all across the globe.
So it's a financial matter? We are at Glopac today and we are going to meet the owner of Odoo here just to understand what is Glopac.
It's the convention for accountants in India. 5,000 accountants coming in this convention center with exhibitions and keynotes.
We started manufacturing of firefighting equipment during the Second World War.
What is the turnover of your company?
It is making a difference in our organization.
Who is going to take the business after you?
Yeah, difficult question.
And the most important part is that we are going for an interview on a cultural basis to understand how Indians live, think and create value for this world.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching the first part of this journey. I hope you enjoyed the glimpse into our time in Dubai and India and the amazing entrepreneurs we met. This is just the beginning. There is so much more to come in the next videos. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next chapter. See you in the next video.